G'day everyone, Tim from High Pressure Cleaning Gold Coast. Just showing what we're doing on site today. We're doing a body corporate clean, which will consist of the low level in the car park, and we've got some common pathways upstairs. This particular car park hasn't been cleaned for over 15 years, so it's going to need a nice deep clean with a rotor surface cleaner. But we're going to pre-treat it first, and we're trying another new product again. Always like to give new stuff a go on the market. What we're using today to give a go on this car park is called HDC. It's heavy duty cleaner. This one here we sourced from Pulse Powered Upper Coomera there. So we've mixed it up. It's going to be getting applied through a softwash system, putting it down on the concrete, wetting it first, applying it, then running the surface cleaner over, and we'll see how it performs today. Watch for results. G'day everyone, back again. We finished this body corp job. It's underground car park, hadn't been cleaned in 15 years. So we tried a new product, HDC, heavy duty cleaner. We got that from Pulse Power. We're giving that a go today, and the results are quite impressive. We've applied it with a softwash system, put it down on a wet surface, run over the surface cleaner, then heavy rinse off, and really dug in and pulled up most of the grime. So we're very happy and made the job very time efficient, and as we all know, time is money.